Hey class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is exam 2 review number 6. So the question is asking to find the equation of the tangent line to this curve that is in red. I plugged that into decimal so we can see and verify that the point 8 comma 1 is actually on the curve, which is great. And we're looking for the equation of this line. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to find dy dx. And in order to find dy dx, we need to apply implicit differentiation. So implicit differentiation says that so what we're going to do really is we're going to take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So d dx, and take the derivative here with respect to x. And when we do that, we have 2/3. Bring the exponent down, so we will have 2/3 x to the negative 1/3, because 2/3 minus 1 is negative 1/3, plus the derivative of y to the 2/3 with respect to x is implicit differentiation. So we would have 2/3 y to the negative 1/3 multiplied by the inside derivative, which is dy dx, is equal to 0. Okay, so in order to solve for dy dx, we keep that on one side, which I will go ahead and throw the negative exponent down on the denominator and write it as cube root multiplied by dy dx is equal to 2 over, and that's negative 3 cube root on the denominator of x. So dy dx is going to equal to, and so here we would have to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3 cube root of y over 2 to get rid of that. And this cancel with that, this cancel with that. So we will just have negative cube root of y over cube root of x. So that is the slope at any given point xy. So at the point 8 comma 1, which is the point that we are looking at on this graph here, okay, at 8 comma 1, then we are looking at the slope being negative cube root of y, which is 1, over cube root of x, which is 8, so that is negative 1/2. So that's a good thing. The green line has a negative slope, so that matches. And then y equals mx plus b. M is negative 1/2. And b is something that we're looking for when we plug in x and y. So 1 is equal to negative 1/3. I mean, not 1/3, 1/2 times 8 plus b, that is negative 4 added over, b is equal to 5. So then we would say the equation of this line here, the line that we're looking at here, the equation is going to be y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. And if you look at this here, it does cross at 5, and it has a slope of negative 1/2. So that is the equation is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. And that confirms our answer on the graph. That's pretty awesome. I actually did this problem ahead of time so that I know which green line to graph, so it looks nice. So I already knew the answer before I did this recording, right? But anyhow, that confirms our answer graphically, and that's great.